So I start from this corner, just hard pull, and then hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to remove the rear door panel on Lexus NX300. Let's starting. We have to take off this plastic cover first, and then we find behind Phillips screw what we need to remove. Oh, I make some lights for you guys, look at this. Oh. And then we need to take off these filts, okay, and there is other Phillips screw what we just take off quickly. Okay, and now just lift up this switch. Or maybe from this way. Yes. Okay, this was a little bit tight. Just let's unplug, and then we remove the last Phillips screw. Okay, and then the door is ready to come off. So I start from this corner, just hard pull, and then all is good, and then we lift up. Oh, okay, yeah, and then we need to unplug the door handle and the door lock and the speaker. This speaker, what is pretty much, I just take off with the speaker. It's much easier than you try unplug the speaker. It's so hard to unplug. It's very bad design, this kind of connection. And now it's easy, but when you hold the door panel with one hand, it's not really good. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.